Hello, Yunan. We've started a new unit today called Financial Maths, and the first thing we're going to look at is ways to earn money. You should have completed your activity already where you've looked up definitions for terms like wages and salary and overtime and these kinds of things. So what we're going to talk about now is some of the types of problems we're going to be asked to answer in this unit. The first one we have here is comparing a wage to a salary. So we have Ken earning a salary of $59,735 a year, and he works a 38-hour week. His wife Brooke works part-time in retail and earns $21.80 per hour. So the first thing we're asked to do is calculate how much Ken earns in a week. And there's a very simple way to do that, is we take what he earns in a year, which is $59,735, and we divide it by how many weeks there are in a year. And if we put that into our calculator, we get $1,148.75. So that's what he gets every week. Now, to determine who has the higher hourly rate of pay, we need to, we already know Brooke's hourly rate of pay, it's given to us in the question, but we need to work out Ken's. So we now know what he gets paid per week, and we know that he works 38 hours in a week. So to find out his hourly rate, we can just take his weekly pay and divide it by the number of hours he works in a week. And that comes to $32, and we'll round off to 2 decimal places, 23 cents. Now, next question here. If Brooke works on average 18 hours per week, what is her yearly income? So what we do to calculate this is we know her hourly rate of pay, so we want to work out her weekly rate of pay at 18 hours a week. So how we do that is we times her hourly rate of pay by her weekly hours. We put that into our calculator, and we get $392.40. So that's per week. Now we're asked to find her yearly income, so now we can times her weekly income by 52 to get her yearly income. And if we put that one in our calculator, it comes up to $20,404.80 per year. Right, something else that we're going to have to calculate is overtime. So basically what happens usually for overtime is you'll be paid either time and a half, which means your hourly rate times 1.5, or double time, which is hourly rate times 2. So we can fairly simply do A and B. Time and a half rate of pay per hour is his regular hourly rate of $16 times 1.5, which is 24. And his double time rate of pay, his hourly rate times 2, is 32. So if we want to calculate how much he earns in a week, where he works 18 hours at his normal rate and 2 hours at time and a half and 1 hour at double time, we need to make 3 calculations. Normal hourly rate at 18 hours. If we put that into our calculator, that's $288. So 2 hours, now we need his time and a half rate, $24, times 2 hours at that rate, which is $48. And then 1 hour at double time, which is just going to be $32. Okay, so if we add up all of these, we'll get his total weekly wage. So you can just put it all in your calculator, and you should come up with $368 per week.